Hi, in this video I am going to unboxing Raspberry Pi 4. Let's start. Here is the box in which you can get a data cable which is used for connect it with your PC or monitor. Here is the memory card which is 32 GB. This is the card reader which which will be used for connect this memory card with computer. Here is the sensor which will be used for I think cool your processor. Here is the fan which also used for cool your processor. This is the body in which we assemble all these parts. Here is the screw. This is the body in which we will fix my Raspberry Pi 4. I think this is a charger which will be used for provide the power of the Raspberry Pi 4. Here is the charger for this cable. Finally this is the Raspberry Pi 4 motherboard. This is the Raspberry Pi 4 computer model B, 4 GB RAM. What is the specification? 60 GB quad core, 4 GB RAM, 2 more HDMI port, and there is a 2 USB port, of 3.0 and the 2 USB port 2.0 port, Ethernet, wireless, Bluetooth and something more. Here as you can see. In this box you will get a manual, and finally this is the device of the Raspberry Pi 4. In this device you can notice there is the one port which will be used for the internet, and there is a 2 port for USB, and these are the other 2 ports for USB. There is a port for power, and this is a port for the microphone or speaker. Here is the processor. Now we will assemble this device in my case, which will be helpful to save this device to rotate, and it will be work properly in this device. I open this case. Yeah, this is fixed, and now you can see that now you can easily use it for HDMI cable, for power, for microphone, and you can connect here in Ethernet cable and the USB port, mouse, keyboard, and something else. You can attach this mini computer, and now you can attach this fan here to cool this device, because when you started this, you feel heating in it, and this will be helpful to cross the ventilation. This is the fan. You will attach this fan here, and the power for this fan will be provided from this port. This is the port. For example, we can attach this. Now you can see, and this will be attached here with this screw, and after that you can after fixing this fan, you can fix this, and now this is the ready for use. You can use for it with your monitor and with your LCD, and this will be helpful to work as a mini computer. One thing else which I did not describe, memory card is attached here, and you can use these sensor on the, I will show you. You can use this sensor at your processor, which will be helpful to cool this processor, and the other sensor, which is we cannot say sensor, we can say is the heat absorber, not a sensor. And the second you can attach here as it is. There is a gum behind this. You can remove this paper, and after that you can use it here. Simple. If you want to buy this device, the link is given in description. You can buy this device from Amazon, and in my next video I will show to how this will work, and we will connect this device with my PC. with my monitor and show you the result and how you will can use it. Thank you to watch this video. Please subscribe this channel and like it. Thank you so much.